Math 1 EOC Practice Test number 24. The owner of a gas station recorded the gallons of gas sold and the amount of precipitation each day for 1 month. The data and the line of best fit are graphed on this scatter plot. Which value is closest to the correlation coefficient for the data? All right, so which is the closest? So it's kind of like an estimate, but you can see the points here go down, so it's in a negative direction. So this would be like a negative slope. If this line represents the set of data, that's what we're looking at. So you can automatically eliminate the two choices that have a positive slope. Now, when you think about correlation coefficient, you think about 100% correlated is like 1. And if it's a negative correlation, then -1 would be 100% correlation, just in a negative direction. So the more close, or the more closely the dots fall to this line, the closer to 1 or -1 it is. If the dot falls far apart and it doesn't look, they're just kind of scattered and it doesn't look like there's any correlation at all, then it's close to 0 correlation. There would be no correlation. So out of the two here, A says -0.93 and B says -0.07. So since these dots kind of fall along this line, I would think that the closest correlation would be -0.93. So your answer for number 24 is A.